Welcome to LanguageVector. In today's lesson, we're going back to the basics and exploring nouns, the essential building blocks of English. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. Nouns are used in sentences. There are many types of nouns: common, proper, concrete, abstract, and collective. Nouns that refer to people include boy, girl, teacher, and doctor. Can you think of more? Nouns that refer to places include school, home, store, and park. Can you think of more? Nouns that refer to things include chair, pen, ball, and clothes. Can you think of more? Quiz time. Which word is a noun? Cat or run? Cat is the noun. Which word is a noun? Jump or nurse? Nurse is the noun.
We'll explore proper nouns in the next video. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching.